guys, welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. This morning we're going to go ahead and make a quick French toast. I took the recipe out of this McDougall cookbook here. The only thing I changed in it was using maple syrup. They advertised honey, but that was a long time ago, and it's not vegan, we found out. But anyhow, these are the ingredients we're going to use. Here's what I have: a package of tofu. I'm using the 12.3 ounces. I think she actually used 8 ounces in her original recipe. Then we're going to use some turmeric powder, a pinch of that just for the color, and we're going to use, oops, I forgot the vanilla, but we're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and she says approximately 8 slices of bread, 1 1/4 cups of water, and you need a blender or a food processor, and there's my food processor. Okay, now here's what we're going to do next. You just dump the tofu in to the food processor, just like that, and then go ahead and put your vanilla in. You just add everything in, and then we're going to blend it. And the maple syrup next. I just judge it. But okay, then there's the water goes in. And the pinch of turmeric for color. And let's begin. You're going to want to get a spatula so that you can scrape down your pan or your pot. Let's take a peek at this. See, mine's still kind of white. That's when we're going to add a little more yellow to it, a little more turmeric. Turmeric makes the yellow, the color. Okay, so this mixture is ready to be used. Here's what it looks like. It looks just like an egg mixture. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to get your skillet going. I turn it on high first, and then I lower it to probably a number 5 to a 6 when it's hot enough. You don't need no butter, margarine, nothing in that pan. You just leave it dry. And then we're going to go ahead and dip our bread into the egg batter. Okay, so here's my batter again in the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and start dipping. And you're just going to dip like you would regular French toast. Just get it nice and coated with the tofu batter. Slide your bowl as close to the pan as you can so you don't make a mess out of your stove. And then plop it on there. And once you start seeing that, you're going to reduce that heat. You want to get that heat reduced to 6. Just like with pancakes, the first one usually never turns out right, but we'll see. I always learned that as a kid growing up with my mom, that the first ones aren't the best ones. That way you get your skillet perfect. Ooh, it's turning nice yellow. This doesn't take very long either. You could take a peek like this, but let it cook. Okay, now let's flip this and see what it looks like. It's going to need cooked a little bit longer, but that's okay. We'll reflip it. Okay, I just flipped it again. you can still see a little bit of it forming. See how it's starting to form. Now, your next one will turn out even better because your skillet will be heated to the temperature that you set it at, and it'll come out really nice. It'll be browned. Okay, here's what it looks like. Here's what I like to do. Well, I learned to do this when I cooked in restaurants. You just cut it down this way. Like that. And then when you serve it, you can do it sort of like this. Okay, this demonstration isn't turning out. There we go. You serve it like that, and you sprinkle a little powdered sugar on it. Makes it fun. Anyhow, this is cooked. And I like to throw it into a bowl, a plain bowl, until I'm ready for serving, so it'll stay hot. And then here's my trick. And then I get a plate, and I stick the plate on top to keep it hot. And then you can start your next slice. And you just do this until it gets cooked, till all your slices are cooked. And you'll have yourself a wonderful breakfast. So I don't want to make this video too long, but hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will come back when it's all plated up. Okay, I lied a second. I just wanted to come back and show you. This is the second one. You see how it has the browning on the edges and stuff. That's kind of what you're looking for. And then I flip it. It's flipped. So this was the first time, and then I flipped it. And then I'll flip it one more time, and then I'll cut it in half. Okay, now I'll be back when it's all plated up. Here's another side of it. Just wanted to show you that. Okay guys, here it is, all plated up. That's the Mary McDougall French toast. Doesn't it look beautiful? Let me tell you, it's super good, and nobody would even know that you're not eating real eggs. Please give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that bell. Thank you, and have a good day.